good afternoon, good evening, my friends all over the world. Today, I would like to show you the Shaolin Dual Fighting Fists. So, this form will be completed by 2 persons. 1 person cannot, because we will fight. So now I will just show you my partner's movement, and mine I will show you laterly. So my partner will straightly stand like this, the neck to the left side, look to the left, and change the 2 hands into fists, and lift the elbows. Put 2 hands besides your waist, and then this is preparation, and then I will step to the left side with my left foot, bend the left knee, and the right foot, the right leg keep straight. Then I will put forward with 2 hands, and my left hand will draw an arc to right side and to left side, and the right hand will move to the back side. So this is the first movement. I will repeat again. So now Annie, come here please. Firstly, Annie will singly practice with me together. So I will move a little bit here, and you will move a little bit here. We will not fight, we just show how this movement will be correctly performed. So stand straightly and change 2 hands into fists, lift the elbows, step to left with left foot, bend the knee, and the right leg keep straight. Put 2 arms here, and then left arm move to right side, to back side, and this way. And the right hand move back. Just look at your left side. So we repeat again. To look at left side, and step to left side. Yes, very good. Now we will fight, okay? So move here. So we change the position. You will put back, okay? Okay, okay. Look at me. You need to move like this. Step. Yes. Okay, good. So move again. Let's stand straightly, lift 2 elbows, and move the left leg to left, bend, down, draw an arc, and the right hand you do not need to repeat, just straight to the back side. You can do this, you can, if you can, you just strictly like this, okay. But you, if you afraid of forgetting, you put downward and then this. If you very well master the movement, you can straightly. Okay. Good. Okay, thank you so much. And the next time I will show you the continuous movement. Thank you. Have a nice day.